Hey, just remember, you real estate investors, right now this market's gonna get really freaking wobbly.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
It's gonna be crazy. What you want, most importantly right now, is location. Now, look, if it don't cash flow, you can't keep it, you're not gonna keep the location. But most important right now, is we're gonna go through a major reset right here, and I am super, super excited about it. My guys will put up a training. It's about 45 minutes long. I go into this in detail, the 4 things you have to have in a real estate adjustment environment due to the Fed's reckless 10 interest rate raises and whatever their goal is to somehow collapse the economy or wealth redistribution from middle class to the super wealthy. Like many of these people that I'm that I'm here in Capri with. Capri, Italy, okay? This is one of the great destinations and locations in the world. Now, all real estate is not created equal on that hill right there. It's got a cash flow. If it doesn't cash flow, you can't keep it because you won't be able to support the mortgage, the expenses, the upkeep, etc. I'll show you guys how to do this. You don't need a lot of money to buy your first real estate deal. Contrary to what people say, I work with people that do this stuff with no money down, a little bit of money down, Fed loans, DA loans, FHA loans, traditional, mezz debt, bridge debt, crowdfunding. If you don't know what these terms mean, hit the link. I'll do the training myself. It's about 45 minutes long, and I'm gonna show you how I started with no money. I'm gonna share with you the mistakes that I made and how I ultimately turned $3,000 investment into $5 billion worth of real estate. And I know that seems like impossible, but just want you to look around real quick, okay? That's pretty impossible too. This guy over here, Mexico real estate. We got a big sailboat out here just sitting here floating. We also have music titan David Geffen and Larry Ellison. Big real estate guys, by the way. Massive real estate holdings. So again, one, you want to look for location. If you guys don't want to hit the link and you don't want to go deep on this and really understand it, just remember these 4 things. Location, cash flow, you got to have an exit, okay, and don't over leverage. I'm going to show you how to do all those things and make sure that you and your family get invested in real estate. It is the greatest real estate retirement asset on planet Earth, including 401ks and IRAs. Listen to what I'm telling you. I took all my retirement money and IRA money and self-directed it into real estate deals, and it grew at 3 times the rate it had grown in the stock market. God bless, be great. I hope this finds you well. If you like the information I just gave you, do you even remember the 4 points? Do you remember those 4 right now? If not, hit the link. If you like the channel, you like the quick, brief, short video takes, or you like the longer stuff like we did with Undercover Billionaire, over 5 hours of content on one drop, okay? So enjoy it, use it. If you don't use it, you lose it.